Your Wi-Fi cuts out the second you walk into the kitchen. Your friend's Wi-Fi works fine 3 rooms away from the router. Coincidence? Nope. There's actual physics happening in your house right now that decides whether your Discord call survives or dies. Let's fix your mental model of Wi-Fi in the next 6 minutes. Most people think Wi-Fi is like internet magic just floating in the air of your house. It's not. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Wi-Fi isn't the internet. Wi-Fi is just the last short hop, like the walkie-talkie between your phone and a little box in your house called a router. The actual internet is a massive wired and fiber optic network. Wi-Fi is just how your phone talks to the box that talks to that network. Think of your router like the admin of a Discord server. Every device in your house, phone, laptop, your smart TV, your little sister's tablet, is a member who joined the server. The router hands out permissions, keeps track of who's who, and routes messages to the right person. When you request a YouTube video, your phone basically DMs the router. The router forwards the request out to the internet, gets the video data back, and relays it back to you, invisibly, like a really fast mod. Here's the part that explains why Wi-Fi dies in the kitchen. Wi-Fi is literally radio waves, the same category of thing as FM radio, just a much higher frequency. Your router blasts these waves out, and they get weaker the farther they travel, and they get straight up blocked or scrambled by walls, especially thick ones, metal appliances, fish tanks. Yes, fish tanks, and even other Wi-Fi networks nearby fighting for the same radio channels. That's why the microwave running in your kitchen can absolutely wreck your Wi-Fi for 30 seconds. Same frequency range, more or less. You've probably seen your Wi-Fi list show 2 versions of your network. One might just say your Wi-Fi name, another says 5G at the end. That's not the same as phone 5G, don't get confused. Your router is broadcasting on 2 different frequency bands. 2.4 GHz travels farther and goes through walls better, but it's slower and way more crowded. Every smart bulb, baby monitor, and old router in your building is yelling on that same band. 5 GHz is faster and less crowded, but it's weaker through walls. So if your game keeps lagging in your room, and your room is far from the router, you might actually get a better connection switching to 2.4 GHz, even though 5 GHz sounds like the better one. So next time your call drops, don't blame the internet. Ask yourself, is there a wall or a fish tank between me and the router? Is my microwave on? Am I on the crowded 2.4 GHz band with 15 other devices? Is the router just too far away? 9 times out of 10, it's not some mysterious internet gremlin. It's radio waves losing a physical fight with your house. Now, you understand more about Wi-Fi than most adults do. Next episode, what actually happens the millisecond you type a website address and hit enter. It's a wilder ride than you think. Subscribe if you want your brain to have more useful things in it than TikTok trivia. See you in the next one.